Are you a beauty salon owner who's finding it hard to make money in your home salon, in your beauty business? Do you get the ick in your stomach when it comes to charging your customers? When a customer says to you, how much is it that I owe you? In your head, you're shouting to yourself, that'll be €100. Tell her it's €100. You need to get €100 for this job. And then you open your mouth and you say, sure, leave it at 70. Well, that's because you don't have any boundaries. You're listening to that icky feeling in your tummy saying, I'm not worth the money that I'm asking this person to pay. You haven't set a price list. You haven't told your customers what prices you charge. And so you are now in a position where you are paying your customers to come to you. You need to talk to me. I'm going to help you nail it in the hair and beauty industry. I'm Sarah Naylor, and I can teach you how to get over that ick in your stomach and charge the prices that you need to charge to start making money in your own beauty business. Follow me for more tips on how to nail it in the hair and beauty industry.